to HAZRA Academy. Students, today we are going to discuss important question answer of chapter 3 Synthetic Fibers and Plastic in class standard 8. So now let's start. Take the correct answer. Take the correct answer. This is also known as artificial silk. The answer is rayon. Which of the following is a thermosetting plastics? The answer is bakelite. It is also known as Orlon, acrylic. Which of the following is a synthetic fiber? Nylon. Which of the following is used to make bottles? PET. Which of these joins to form synthetic fiber? Polymer. Which of these is a less expensive fiber? Nylon. Which of this is used to make packaging material? Polystyrene. Which of this is the first synthetic fiber? This is also nylon. What do the 4 R's stand for? Reduce, reuse, recycle, recover. Now the next is fill in the blanks. Rayon is also called artificial silk. PET is used to make bottles. Thermosetting plastics cannot be remolded to different shapes. Synthetic fibers are stronger and more durable than natural fibers. Teflon is a thermoplastic. State whether the following statement are true or false. Rayon is also known as Orlon. False. Polyester is made up of ethane units. False. Artificial fibers are wrinkle resistant. True. Polythene is a thermoplastics. True. Artificial fibers are cheaper than synthetic fibers. False. Answer the following questions in one word or a single sentence. Which is a synthetic fiber? Nylon or jute? Nylon. Which simple unit forms polymer? Monomers. Which type of fibers are manufactured in factories? Synthetic fibers. Which fabric is also known as artificial silk? Rayon. Name the plastic used to make bottles. PET. Name the monomers that forms polythene. Ethylene. Give 2 examples of natural fibers, cotton and silk. In which 2 categories can be fibers be classified? Natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Now the next is answer the following questions in brief. What are synthetic fibers? How are they different from natural fibers? Fibers that are produced by man by artificial means are synthetic fibers. Natural fibers like cotton, wool, silk and jute are made of fibers that are produced by animals and plants. Synthetic fibers like polyester, nylon, rayon and acrylic are man-made fibers that are created in laboratory. What are the properties and uses of polyester? Properties of polyester. Polyester is very strong, wrinkle resistant, light and elastic. It can be blended with natural fibers like cotton and wool. Uses of polyester. Polyester is used to make clothing items like pants, coats, etc. PET is used to make bottles and utensils. Now the next question. Write a short note on rayon, nylon, acrylic polymerization. Rayon. Rayon is also known as artificial silk. It is cheaper than silk. It is made artificially as an alternative to silk from wood pulp. Hence, it is semi-synthetic in nature. It absorbs moisture and sweat. Nylon. Nylon was the first synthetic fiber production by humans. Produced by humans, it was the first non-cellulosic fiber produced by DuPont company using cold water and air. Nylon is strong and elastic. Acrylic fibers are made from a polymer known as the properties of acrylic fibers are similar to the properties of wool. These are also known as Orlon. Acrylic fiber is light in weight and very strong. Polymerization, this process of joining monomers repeatedly to form polymers is known as polymerization. What are the advantages of plastics? The advantages of plastics are as follows. Plastics have strong thermal and electric insulating properties. It is highly durable. They are water resistant. They are very low cost manufacturing. They have very lightweight. Now the next question, give two properties and use of nylon and acrylic. Properties of nylon. Nylon is strong and elastic. It is light and wrinkle resistant. Uses of nylon. Nylon is used to make ropes, fishing nets and packing materials. It is also used to make swimwear, umbrellas, toothbrush, parachutes, etc. Properties of acrylic. Acrylic fiber is light in weight and very strong. It absorbs less water and can be dyed easily. Uses of acrylic. It is used to make bulletproof glasses and helmets. It is used to make sweaters and blankets. Name the type of plastics that is used in making electrical switches. Thermosetting plastics that is used in making electrical switches. Name of the plastic is bakelite. Answer the following questions in detail. Differentiate between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics can be heated and remolded on cooling. Thermosetting plastics, one set cannot be remolded. The monomers in thermoplastics are arranged linearly, thus making it soft and flexible. The monomer in thermosetting plastics are arranged in crisscross manners, making this plastic strong and hard to break. Some common examples are PVC, polyvinyl chloride and polyethylene. Some common examples are bakelite and melamine. These are used to make polythene bags and packing materials. These are used to make electrical switches and melamine utensils. Plastics are both a bane and a boon. Explain with examples. Plastics are a bane because of no alternative, lightweight, rust or rot-free, low transportation cost, conserves natural resources, durable, reusable, etc. Plastics are a boon because it produces harmful gas when burned, non-biodegradable, block the drains, etc. Therefore, conclusively, we come to the point that plastics are both a bane and a boon. What can can be done to save our environment from harmful effect of plastics? We can take different ways to save our environment from harmful effects of plastics. Number 1. Avoid using plastic bags and instead of plastic, carry jute or cloth bags. Practice reusable disposal plastics. Use of crush-free water bottles. Use of crush-free water bottles. Try to minimize the use of plastics as much as possible in your daily life. Throw plastic waste in dustbins instead of throwing them in drains or on land. Follow 4 R's principle to minimize plastic waste. The 4 R's stand for reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. What are the synthetic fibers? What are the types of synthetic fibers and their properties? Synthetic fibers are made by man using chemical methods. There are mainly 4 types of synthetic fibers, namely rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. Properties of synthetic fibers are: synthetic fibers are strong, elastic and moth-free. Most of the synthetic fibers are water resistant. They are wrinkle resistant and need low maintenance. Synthetic fibers are less expensive and more durable. And the last question in this chapter or exercise, this is: what are plastics? What are their types and uses? Plastics are the polymers that can be remolded into different shapes. Plastics can be classified into 2 types: thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Types of plastics: thermoplastic uses: polybags, packing food items, shopping bags, water bottles, water pipes, window and door frames, credit cards, trays, packaging materials and food containers. Thermosetting plastics: bottles, microwave friendly vessels, bottles of beverages like soft drink, electrical switches, plugs, non-stick coating in cooking utensils. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel to get the next update or video.